Welcome to Integrity Global Concept. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use your bezier tools. How to use your bezier tools. You can use your bezier tools for many things, like what I want to do now. In a general video of introduction to pixellab, I have taught how to use bezier tools for some things. Now I want to teach how to use it particularly for another thing. Let's change the background color first. Let's change it to white so that you can see what I'm doing very well. Now I want to import one image. When using bezier tools, you can use bezier tools to frame something out, a design you have on your phone before. Maybe you see an image or shape there that you like and you want to use it for your design. You can use bezier tools. Assuming in this design, I want to use the moon that is there. I want to use the moon. Then I will just import the picture. Let me crop the picture. Let me crop the picture because I want to use the moon only. Let me crop it to the moon. Then I will use my bezier tools there. Yes. Then I need this white moon shape. I need it. Assuming I couldn't download the moon, then I see a design that contains it. I just go to my bezier tools. You go to this third symbol. Then you will click anything you are clicking. Then you will see the initial functions, sub functions that is under it, which is sticker, import, draw, shapes, bezier, and arrow. Then you want to use this bezier, the third one, this bezier. You want to use it. When you click the bezier, one line will show automatically with these two nodes. That's where you control your bezier, with these two nodes. And then let me scroll down. You scroll down in this part. You scroll down to change the color of your node of your bezier stroke, so that you can see it very well. You can see the background of this white moon is black and the node is black also, so therefore I can't see what I'm doing very well. Let me change its color to not fill color. If you change the stroke color, not fill color. Let's change the stroke color to maybe green or this color. Yes, good. Then the next thing is that when you want to use your bezier tools, you use these two nodes to control it. When you press the node there, when you press the node there, you say it joins. Maybe it joins another one to it. That's because you didn't press the button you're supposed to press. You have to press this second button first before you control it. When you press this second button and you press the node won't move on the direction you don't want. It will move on the direction you move it to. Then you can control it with these two sticks here, like this or like this, any way you want it. If you press this one also, it will give you another stroke which you can use to control the nodes. You can see it now. You can frame out anything with these bezier tools, but that's not where I'm going. I want to do this. I want to frame out this moon. Now what will I do? Let me cancel this. Now let me go to the bezier tools again. You can see this bezier stroke is in black color, and the background of the moon is in black color also. Let me go and change it to this color. Good. Then the next thing is that I will now press this second icon. The second icon here, that's what I will press, so that my control will be going to the direction I want. Press the second one here. You can see as you press the second one, this line, white line, it shows. That means you are good to control you are good to go with the control of the bezier to the direction you want. Now you can use this line to control it to any direction you want, and you can press this white circle node to move it to the direction you want. Now I will press this white circle something. I want to move this one down here like this, no, yes. And I want to frame out this moon. I want to start from this part, and this is the first node. This is the second node. I will have to put the first node at my starting point. Then I will put it at the starting point here. Put the first node at the starting point. Good. Then we use this white line to control it. You drag it to control the node to the edge of the shape you want to feature out. Make sure the first one is at the starting point. Yes. Then I will press this one also. Then this white line will show, and I can use this to control my bezier. Yes. Yes, you can see now that I'm done with this part. My bezier stroke has covered this edge from this place to this place. The next thing is that I will click this first one again. This first one, I will click it again. After clicking it, I will now click this second node. Not this first one, this second node. I will now click it. Click it once. It will give you another stroke to join your bezier. Then I will now go back to this second one to control it. Go back to the second one. Then you can now, the one you join to it, you can see this curve line. That's the one I joined to it. Its node is the one at the top. You can see there is two circles here. The one at the top is for the second one I joined to it. You will just move it to another place. No, not this one. I want to move it to another place. Yes. Then return this to its place. Return this to its place. Return this to its place. Yes. Then the next one you join to it, move it to this edge. Move the next one you join to it, move it to this edge, which is this. Move it to this edge. Move this one to this edge. Make sure it touches the edge. After that, then use this line, small line, to control it. Move it down the edges of the shape here. Yes, like this. The line, the white line, you use it to control the edges. You use the white one to control the edges. Don't touch the line at this side. If you touch it, it will be controlling this side. You will touch only this one also to control this side. Move this thing at the point very well. Yes. Good. Then you can see we are done with all these parts. We are done with all these parts. The remaining one is this part, the inner part of it. That's the one we will do now. Then you don't have to stress yourself again. Don't join any node to it again, so that you will have a perfect one. Just go to this place, press the first one. After pressing the first one, then press this thing joining together, the second one in the action. After pressing the first one in bezier mode, then go and press the second one in actions, which is this one. Go and press it, the second one in the action, like two something joining together. Press it. You can see this thing joins together automatically. The two lines, the first one, the initial one, and the one you stopped with, they join together automatically. Then you will click this node, click it. Okay, no, before you click this node, go back to this control section, the second one, click it. That's the control one. Then you click this node, after clicking the control section here, you go and click this node. Yes, after you click the node, then you use the node to control them. Then you use the node to control them. You use this node to control them. Good. You can see the bezier stroke has covered all the edges of the white moon. That means you are done with it. Just go and give it a fill color, which is this. Give it any fill color. Let me give it green. Yes. Then you can reduce the stroke. Don't give it any stroke. Then click this mark button. Can you see it now? You draw the moon also. It's like you copy it. That's one of the things you can do with your bezier mode. Thanks for watching. Integrity cares.